Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Infosys good news, salary hike, promotion related. One of the most important point, this video is very important for 22, 23, 24 batch because in this video we will discuss about all the points, all the good news. Infosys promote freshers much faster and pay them more. Krish Shankar, top head of Infosys. सो आप सभी ऑन बोर्डिंग का वेट कर रहे हैं. यू आर वेटिंग फॉर ऑन बोर्डिंग फ्रॉम सो मेनी मंथ्स. सो व्हाट अबाउट द रिमेनिंग ऑन बोर्डिंग व्हेन मास हायरिंग फॉर 23-22 बैच अगेन इनफीटीक्यू एग्जाम फॉर 2024 बैच शेड्यूल स्किल्स बेस्ड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग. Okay, let's start the video. In this video we will discuss about all the important updates. Okay, so this all videos are for all of you. Like and share the video with your friends. So this news is on the TechGeek platform. So news credit goes to TechGeek website. Infosys promote freshers much faster and pay them more. A new promotion track. Okay, so basically there are some of the tracks. So they just mentioned that there is a new track called JL4 has been implemented, which allow freshers to reach mid-career level in 4 years rather than the 7-8 years they previously took. Okay, means suppose there is an example like if you are selected for the system engineer role, so after completing the 6 to 7 year, okay, so you will be promoted to another mid career level position, okay, according to that report. But now there is a track called JL4 implemented, so which allow to reach mid career level in only 4 years. So this is very good news. So HR head Krish Shankar, Sir, Executive Vice President and Group Head of Infosys, said the company today promote fresher much faster and pay them much more. Earlier, a software engineer trainee who joined us would have got a 50% compensation increase over 3 years. Okay, this is one of the most important point. Now, given our early career reward and accelerated growth, trainee get a 90% increase in compensation over 3 years, he said. Means directly 50% to it goes to the 90%. A digital engineer and a power programmer who joined with a high salary package are now available as job as IT services company. Okay, so power programmer make about 6.2 lakh per annum when they join, and digital engineer make 9 lakh. So the proportion of fresher joining at 3.5 lakh is coming down, he said. A new promotion, so they just mentioned that. So basically the 3.5 LPA package is also for the system engineer role. So it is very good important point because you can reach your mid career level in the 4 year. Okay, so you can also switch to related or new professional path through the bridge program. Okay, it is related to the skills development. So उनका कहने का यही मतलब है कि बेसिकली यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर स्किल सेट. ओके, if your skill set is good, you have opportunity through the bridge program and you can easily apply for this opportunity. Sorry, so basically this is related to the important point. So let's talk about the next important updates. What about the remaining onboarding is the phase till May 2023? Yes, so many candidates got the May 2023 as a joining schedule. So phase till the May 2023. सो मई 2023 तक भी ज्वाइनिंग आने के चांसेस है. अभी हम देखे रहे तो अभी मार्च चल रहा है. सो बेसिकली अप्रैल और मई में आपको ज्वाइनिंग देखने को मिल सकती है. एंड इसी के साथ साथ टिल यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज वेल. ओके, इफ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर द इन्फोसिस. सो बेसिकली नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, व्हेन मास हायरिंग फॉर 23-24 बैच, it will like 23 and 22 batch. Okay, so it will totally depends on their timelines. According to their timelines and requirements, most probably they will hire. They will not according to the situation. If they not like declare the second phase or first phase hiring, only they conduct the any hiring, like any one hiring. Means दो phase hiring करवाने अगर वो करवा पाएंगे तो भी सही बात है. बाकी अगर वो नहीं करवा पाए तो एक फेज की हायरिंग तो वो करवाएंगे. सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. व्हाट अबाउट द 2024 बैच इनफीटीक्यू शेड्यूल? सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, ये भी टाइमलाइंस के अकॉर्डिंग ही आएगा. ओके, सो जब भी इनफीटीक्यू की एग्जाम आएगी, श्योरली आई विल अपडेट ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन आवर चैनल. ओके, आप सब्सक्राइब करके रख लीजिए। बाकी इनफीटीक्यू की प्रिपरेशन और दूसरी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन भी मैं आपको करवा दूंगा। हमारी टीम आप सभी के लिए वीडियोस बना देगी। आई होप दिस वीडियो इज यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।